Hello T-Pros, and welcome back to my IT workshop. This is Alvendril, and in this video we will be unboxing and testing this Jabra Evolve 40 professional headset. As always, the link is going to be in the video description below if you're interested at the end of the test. So this is a wired one, and as you can see, this is how it comes. This is how it arrives in the mail, and it's just a bag. So I'm going to open it. Very simple, very standard. So these are the instructions over here, and this is the warranty declaration, so maybe we don't need to check that right now. I'm going to put it aside, and this is the bag, the container where the headset is in. So we're going to open it and see how it looks, like that, and there you go. So pretty simple, pretty standard. If you're interested in wireless headphones, I have videos on that. You can click on the top right of this screen. So this is kind of a protector. So I like the orange color. It makes it more alive, if you will. So this is plastic, of course, and you can extend it for any head size. So this is where the microphone goes. You can move it like this, pretty standard. So we're going to open it, and there is a lot of cables. So I like this a lot because you have to connect this to your laptop or desktop or any other device, your cell phone. So I like that this is long. So I'm going to put how long it is in the video, like a note. So this is pretty nice. Now this is the controller, very basic, more volume, less volume, mute, and answer a call like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. So now, as you can see, it's very long, and I like that a lot. So you don't have to be like very close from the connection, from the connector, so you have a lot of leeway. So now, as you can see, this is USB, so it can fit to your computer or to your desktop, laptop, Mac. But if you don't have it, you can remove this controller and you can connect it back to your cell phone with the regular audio jack. So that's what I like a lot. So, but I'm going to keep it connected to the controller over here, to the remote control, like that. So now I'm going to connect it to my laptop. I mean, to my desktop computer. Can be a laptop, can be a Mac, can be any other device that has a USB and can play music or videos. So I'm going to test it with two songs. This is the first one. So it sounds like this. So I'm going to bring the controller, the very basic controller here, so you can see what we can do. It's pretty simple. There are not many options, more volume and less volume. It works like this. Pretty standard, pretty simple. So now I'm going to test it with a second song. So that's how it sounds. Now I'm going to test it with one of my videos.
Hello IT-Pros, welcome back to my IT workshop. This is Alvendril. Before we start this video, I just want to say that this particular video is very important to me because it's the number one in this channel. So more than 100 videos in my channel, so that's crazy. Thank you very much. So now, I have a lot of videos related to Chromebooks. I have a playlist. If you're interested in that, you can click on the top right of this screen or video description below. Okay. So as you can see, I have this Dell Chromebook 11 inches. The model is 3000 mAh, but this fix is going to work for video as well as manual.
So that's how it sounds. So we tested with two songs and one of my videos that has voice in it. So this is kind of flexible. You can bend it. I'm not going to say a lot, but it has a degree of bending that it can support. So you can turn the speakers, well, the headsets, well, the speakers actually, inside and outside. So the next thing we're going to do is test the microphone. So how it sounds when you are talking on a conference or on a call. Okay, so we're going to do that right now. Hello T-Pros, this is a test using the microphone from the Jabra Evolve 40 Pro headset. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. Finally, that's how it sounds when you are using the microphone. So that's how people can listen to you. So you use this kind of headset in a company environment where they don't allow wireless headphones because of some InfoSec policy. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you in this video, guys. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any other comment or questions, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.